Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today, we will see the end of the day's chart analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty on 14th of October 2021. Let's first look on to the Nifty chart and mark the important supports and resistance. Let's mark the previous day high. This is previous day high and this is previous day low. And looking for a Virgin CPR, that's Virgin CPR on 13th of October 2021. Let's mark. Okay, there is no swing high because market is already at the all-time high. So these are the important supports and resistance. Let me play the candles now. Even today market opened gap up with more than 100 points with a small red candle. This red candle opened slightly above R2 and took support at R2 and closed at R2. So there is no shorting entry at this first candle. If this candle is like this, if this first candle opened above R2 and closed below R2, we can go for a short entry at this point. At this point we can make the entry, but this candle didn't close below the R2, so we cannot take this trade. So there is no trade at the first candle, and the market was sideways for the first 1 hour. So let's mark the first 1 hour high and low. This is IBH and this is IBL. Looking for the opportunity, I could see this green candle as an opportunity to enter the trade. So one can go for a long trade at this point, at the close of this green candle. So you can make the entry here, and you can keep your stop loss below the candle. Below the candle or at the resistance R2, and you can book the profit somewhere here again. According to our strategy, this is the entry, stop loss and target, but unfortunately today our target is not hit and it slightly went up and came down and took away our stop loss. So there is a loss in this trade of 1 hour. Whenever you lose 1 hour. Whenever you get profit, you profit 2 hour. So you have to maintain a proper risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2 hour. Always don't go more than 2 hour. Looking for the next opportunity, there is an opportunity at this green candle. This market came down, touched the IBL and bounced from there. So we can take an entry at the close of this green candle. This green candle is strongly bullish, so we can make an entry at this green candle and place our stop loss below the candle. and our profit target would be at this point 2 hour target or swing high. This is one of our strategy. So in Nifty overall we had two trades. Out of this two trade we had one profitable trade and one loss. So one loss minus 1 hour and profit 2 hour. So total we made a profit of 1 hour in Nifty. Let's look at the Bank Nifty chart now. Let's mark the important supports and resistance in Bank Nifty chart. This is PDH and this is PDL, and there's a Virgin CPR on 13th of October. So let's mark the Virgin CPR. Fine. Let's look for some other supports and resistance. As here, even here, the market is on all-time high. There is no swing high at this point right now. Okay, let me play the candles now. Fine. Here in Bank Nifty, market opened a slightly gap up with a green candle. This green candle took this resistance from the R1 and closed below that. So there is no long entry at this green candle because there is a resistance R1 above it. So there is no trade at the first candle. Then the market was completely sideways from the morning till 1:30. So let's mark the first 1 hour high and low and look for the opportunity. This is IBH, and this is IBL. And looking for the opportunity, I could see this green candle as the opportunity. This green candle broke IBH and closed above R2. So one can go for the entry at this point. This is a high probability trade because market was consolidating for more than 4 hours. So this is a very high probability trade. So one can go entry at the close of this green candle and keep their stop loss below that candle and book the profit at next pivot resistance R2R. This is the target. And you could see the market even still went higher and higher. So you should not feel that market has went up and you have booked the target very early. In this case market went up, whereas in other most of the cases market won't go like this. It will have a sudden crash and it will come down very fast. So it will take away all your profit and you will end up in big loss. So never try to judge the market. Always follow the rules and play with our strategy, because only our strategy will help us to be a profitable trader. And after this there is no other opportunity to make an entry. So in bank Nifty we have a profitable trade of 2 hour. Overall, in Nifty, we made a profit of 1 hour. In Bank Nifty, we made a profit of 2 hour. So total, we made a profit of 3 hour. So like yesterday, we'll just see the calculation for 1 lakh investment. For 1 lakh investment in Nifty, you get 1000 rupees, that is 1% of your capital. And in Bank Nifty, you get 2000, which is 2% of your capital. So overall, you made a profit of 3000 in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is sorry, which is 3% of your ROI, that is return on investment. That's all today about Nifty and Bank Nifty end of the day chart analysis. I hope you should have made some profit today. If you like my video, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.